Hello and welcome to another episode of JoMash 101, where I will be providing you with some insights for embedding Qlik analytics and creating Qlik mashups. Well, today's episode revolves around JoMash's filter panel for mashups. It has many useful functions and it is super easy to use, but as always, without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, let's move on to our little demo mashup right here, which of course stands for only one of many possible builds. With JoMash, there are several ways to filter out the data you are looking for within your mashup. For example, you can either click your way through filter panels, such as these right here, which in this case only filter for sales representatives or states, as I can show you right now. There you go. Alternatively, you can unfold an additional filter panel that gives you a more detailed view over, well, all of your data. With this, you can go in depth and search for finer nuances, which, well, in this case would be, for example, cities or product groups, product subgroups, which you can find right here. However, if you're not a big fan of clicking your way through filter panels such as these, JoMash provides you also with a search bar right here, through which you can simply search for the specific data that you're looking for in your graphs and tables. For instance, if I simply type in, let's say, Arizona and select it, then all your charts and tables will adapt my search or adapt to my search. If I then again want to go more into detail, for example, regarding baked goods, because I want to see how baked goods are faring in Arizona, then again my mashup, my tables, my charts will adapt to what I've just put in. Of course, you can also always change up and switch up the selections you have already made by simply clicking on them. For example, you can add, in this case, alcoholic beverages, and again your charts and tables adapted to it and show you only what you were looking for. As a bonus, however, your filter selection is being synchronized not only on your current dashboard but also with the rest of your mashup, as we can see right here. Arizona is selected, it's only alcoholic beverages and baked goods. Same applies to any other dashboard. You can, of course, also interact with your objects and select, for example, product groups, sales reps, or states by simply clicking whatever catches your eye within your charts and tables. For example, if I click on wine, then a product subgroup of wine will be added to my search bar, just right here. So in any case, your selection will be displayed within your search bar and can be altered by clicking on it, and even be cancelled by clicking on the little cross right next to it. So this is how you delete your filters again. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's little tutorial. If you want to learn more about JoMash, hit the subscribe button and bell and you will get notified for whenever we upload our next JoMash 101 video. Also, check out our previous JoMash videos. One of them I will link to you right here. And of course you can visit our website for more information. It is linked in the video description. Should you have any questions regarding JoMash, then write to us in the comments below or contact my colleague Marcus for a comprehensive free demo. You will find his information in the video description box as well. Well, thank you for watching and until next time.